Girls, well, what do we have here? Boys all dressed for sea. Is it past your bedtime yet? Now rush off home for tea.
Boys, just look at all the girls standing over there. In your finest party clothes, you gave us quite a scare. Everyone knows we're better, better than you. Everyone knows we're better, better than you. Yes we are, yes we are, so much better than you. Yes we are, so much better than you.
Boys, your ship is such a wreck. Really, what a stink! Smelling like a moldy cheese. Let's hope it doesn't sink.
Girls, your ship is quite a sight, messing up the harbour. You'd be better opening a floating beauty parlour. Everyone knows we're better, better than you. Everyone knows we're better, better than you. Yes we are, so much better than you. Yes we are, so much better than you.
Boys, it must be really tough, faced with competition. Why not just go kick a ball, 'cause that's your main ambition?
Girls, it must be really tough, looking at such power. Go and fetch your knitting or go back to picking flowers. Everyone knows we're better, better than you. Everyone knows we're better, better than you. Yes we are, so much better than you. Yes we are, so much better than you. Better than you.